Russian course, level beginner, lesson 1. In this lesson, you will learn how to say hi and hello, introduce yourself, to say what you do for a living, and where you are from. Greeting. Number 1. Здравствуйте. Hello. It's a formal way of greeting. Pay attention to the first letter V. It's silent. Здравствуйте. Number 2. Привет. Hi. It's an informal way of greeting. Listen and repeat. Then pause the video and read these words. Number 1. Здравствуйте. Number 2. Привет. What is your name? There are two ways of saying your name. The first one is very close to the English construction, except one thing. The verb to be is omitted in the Russian variant. Number 1. Я Rebecca. I am Rebecca. Number 2. Я Tom. I am Tom. The pronoun я is translated as I. The second way of saying your name is to use the construction Меня зовут. I'm called. It is a literal translation of this phrase. In English, the common translation of it is My name is. Меня is the form of the pronoun я, I. Зовут, to be called. Number 3. Меня зовут Rebecca. I'm called Rebecca. It's a literal translation. Or my name is Rebecca. Number 4. Меня зовут Tom. My name is Tom. Listen and repeat. Then pause the video and read these sentences. Number 1. Я Rebecca. Number 2. Я Том. Number 3. Меня зовут Rebecca. Number 4. Меня зовут Том. Jobs. Listen and repeat these jobs. Then pause the video and read them. Number 1. Учитель. Number 2. Врач. Or доктор. Number 3. Инженер. Number 4. Продавец. Number 5. Адвокат. Number 6. Дизайнер. Number 7. Психолог. What do you do for a living? The construction is very close to the English one when we need to say what we do for a living. Except the verb to be, it's omitted. Moreover, in Russian, there are no articles. Number 1. Я учитель. I am a teacher. Number 2. Я врач. I am a doctor. Number 3. Я инженер. I'm an engineer. Number 4. Я адвокат. I am a lawyer. Number 5. Я продавец. I am a shop assistant. Number 6. Я дизайнер. I am a designer. Number 7. Я психолог. I am a psychologist. Listen and repeat. Then pause the video and read them. Number 1. Я учитель. Number 2. Я врач. Number 3. Я инженер. Number 4. Я адвокат. Number 5. Я продавец. Number 6. Я дизайнер. Number 7. Я психолог. Countries. Listen and repeat these countries. Then pause the video and read the words. Number 1. Россия. Number 2. Италия. Number 3. Турция. Number 4. Англия. Number 5. Франция. Number 6. Индия. Number 7. Германия. Where are you from? Number 1. Is. From. Countries ending the letter ya, which go after the preposition is, from, change the letter ya to the letter e at the end. All the countries that we have just pronounced end the letter ya. So that's why after the preposition is, from, all the countries have the letter e at the end. Number 2. Я из России. I am from Russia. Number 3. Я из Италии. I am from Italy. Number 4. Я из Турции. I am from Turkey. Number 5. Я из Англии. I am from England. Number 6. Я из Франции. I am from France. Number 7. Я из Индии. I am from India. Number 8. Я из Германии. I am from Germany. Listen and repeat. Then pause the video and read the sentences. Number 2. Я из России. Number 3. Я из Италии. Number 4. Я из Турции. Number 5. Я из Англии. Number 6. Я из Франции. Number 7. Я из Индии. Number 8. Я из Германии. Exercise 1. Let's get acquainted with the main character of this course. Listen to her and answer these 3 questions in Russian. Give only short answers. For example, what does she do? Answer: Advocat, a lawyer. Before listening, pause the video to read these questions. The next slide will help you check yourself. Listen to her. Здравствуйте. Я Вера. Я учитель. Я из России. Check yourself. Number 1. What is her name? Answer: Vera. Number 2. What does she do? Answer: Учитель, a teacher. Number 3. Where is she from? Answer: Из России, from Russia. Exercise 2. According to this model, tell about yourself. If there isn't your job or country in the list of new words for learning, invent your own character, choose a job and a country out of this list. Imagine that you are this character. Pause the video and tell about yourself. The next slide will help you check yourself. Check yourself. For example, Я Вера. Я учитель. Я из России.
Thank you for the lesson. Please like, share and subscribe below for updates weekly. See you next time. Bye.